On this page, you'll be given a story problem and a table of values. In each case, you're going to have to find the rate of change, or the slope, write an equation for the table of values, and pay attention to the variables being requested in that equation, and finally, use that equation to complete some calculations. So, you're going to work problem number 3 and problem number 4 on your own. Be sure to show your work and make sure you check your answers on the answer key when you are done. You can show your work on a printed worksheet, or you can complete your work in a notebook. When you've completed both problems, check your work against the answer key that has been posted. This concludes this video on writing an equation given a table of values and a story problem.